Oh, that's a type. You reach yourself and practice is only gluten stop. An honest businessman because there is a rule. We sell that na hindi nalulugi. So participate. Oh. Yan. Tama. Kumugulong. Oh. So after mag-pump, inagaan, so kailangan mag-balance ito. Ibig sabihin, perfect. Oh. We're really proud of you. Thank you. Because this will give comfort to the consumer, motorist particular. Ano na, 1962. Hindi pa ako pinapanganak. Ako din po. Oh, that's nice. We opted to check randomly your station simply because most of public utility vehicle within the Blumentritt area and the Masalang area pass through here. And as you all know, 24 hours to malakas to ang gasolina. And we're really proud of you. I'm really happy and proud that you're treating the situation squarely and fairly. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Oh, good job.